Hey folks, welcome back. Time for another mail call. I got my first mail from outside the United States, Canada. It comes from Harley Girl. Let's see what we got. She has sent me a Christmas card. Yeah, it's a little late, but 12 days of Christmas, right? I think. Yeah. There it is. Says Merry Christmas, and here's to a healthy 2021. More roads, more motovlogging, more travels. Harley Girl. And she sent me. Here's her stickers. Really cool. And she has a spam card. Miss Gloria. And she sent me a poker chip from London, Ontario, which is Rocky's Harley Davidson. So that will be my first poker chip outside the United States. So thank you so much. Go check out her channel. She's got a beautiful bike. She's just getting started. I think she's got some really good content. Let's see. Got another Christmas card. This is coming out of Pennsylvania. Let's see. It comes from NVA Rider. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got some stickers. Check out this Christmas card. Randy, best wishes for a fun-filled holiday season. Ride with pride, Scott and Deb. And they have some stickers. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Really like these like holographic stickers. I need to get some of those. And then one more. What's that? Blue Knights. Yep, that is pretty cool. And they sent me some poker chips. Let me try these out. This comes from Three Rivers Harley Davidson. That is pretty cool. It's in Pittsburgh. Oops. Really nice. And then he has, or excuse me, they have their own poker chip. Really cool. And you see Pittsburgh in the back. I really like that poker chip. That's pretty neat. Thank you. Thank you, Scott and Deb. And I hope you had a Merry Christmas as well as Harley Girl. Thank you for the cards. And next up is Bubba Rides out of Indiana. And left me a note here. Had a good time on the live stream. Hope you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Looking forward to seeing you in June. Ride safe, Bubba. So what he's talking about is we had a live stream, which it was through Christopher Day Lawson of NEPA, and there was 6 of us on there. And next year in June, there's the VAM 2021, which is in Tazewell, Virginia. Where Mr. G is, and there's going to be a big motovlogger meetup then. And if you haven't heard of it, go check it out. It is actually on Facebook, and Toby Northern put that together. Appreciate that, Toby. It is June 10th through the 13th, so I'm looking forward to meeting Bubba then. If I don't meet up with him sooner, I know we talked about meeting in Kentucky before then. More than happy to. And here's his stickers. Really nice stickers. Appreciate it, brother. And let's see. Got another one out of Greenville, Michigan. But it's cold there. Well, probably even colder in Canada. Let's see here. It gave me some stickers. NVA Rider. And NVA Rider also has a poker chip. That is pretty cool. Check him out on YouTube and Instagram. Imagine these came from Chip Labs. I really need to get some. I know a lot of people talk about Chip Labs, and that's where they got their poker chips, so I'll have to check them out. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. So that's pretty much it for this one. If you get a chance, go check out their channels. If you like the content, subscribe, like their videos. Again, I want to thank everybody for sending me the notes, the poker chips, the stickers. It really does mean a lot. I appreciate you watching my content. These are some really great channels, so make sure you go check them out. Until next time, as always, rip the ride. See ya.